Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're updating the chicken brooder. In our horse stall, this whole back wall is going to be the brand new chicken brooder. Come along, enjoy the fun. For the first round of materials we got from the hardware store, I'm sure there's going to be plenty more trips. We got some chicken wire and some mesh and some different treated lumbers. Come along, let's get building. The biggest mistake I made with the last chicken brooder was putting it on the floor. This time we're going to put it up at table height and save our backs. We got our base built nice and strong. We'll put down some mesh over the top eventually and some boards underneath to collect the poop. Next we're going to build the top for the lights and the doors in the front. Alright, I think we're on our third trip to the hardware store. We got some brackets and bars, and let's finish up this top and get some doors on it so we can start with the netting. Sorry, I didn't film a lot of the steps, just kind of put the music on and went to it, but let me show you what we did. So on the top here, we put some cross beams and some bracing, so if a raccoon or a cat jumps on it, they're not going to mess it up. And the same on the bottom here, just kind of put some beams just to help support the mesh and the chickens as they grow. Next, we're going to work on the doors on the front and then put some netting on it. We got all the framing done and our doors roughed in. Time for some chicken wire. We got our doors finished with the hinges and the locks. The last step we're going to do is get some trays underneath to collect the poop. We'll get some lights and some chickens in there. For the shelf on our brooder, we're going to use some spray glue, plastic, and then paper in hopes to make cleanup a lot easier. And there you have it. We're all done. Paper's in, mesh is on. We're ready for chickens. I hope you enjoyed the project. Please like, comment, and subscribe and join the Wholesome Homestead community. We'll see you next time. Oh man, sawdust in the throat. Whoa. You're making me sick doing that. It said it wasn't recording. Okay, now it's working. Big old space, do some dancing.